Okay, so step 1, empty all the pouches of meat, vegetable and soup into this transparent plastic tray and fill the tray up with cold water up to this fill line. So this is how it should look like once everything has been emptied into the tray and it's now ready to be cooked. So obviously now it's still cold, and in this black tub what you want to do is fill the water up to that line down there. So there's some Chinese characters imprinted there, but basically that's the level of water you want to fill the water up to, right about there. So that's only about 1 centimeter from the bottom of the pot. Right, so the very last step, and make sure you have the lid ready. Now the very last step is to place the self-heating pack into the water, after which you want to replace the tray on top and close the lid. So I'm going to rip this open and do the next steps. Okay, so I've got the heat pack ready and I'm now going to place it in the water. So there's a bit of a delay system in there that will only activate after a couple of seconds or about a minute. So we have time to replace the tray here with the food and cover the lid. Now you'll notice that the lid has a hole in it here for the steam to escape. And right now we're just waiting for the heat pack to activate. So it's going to be cold all the way. So don't panic if you don't feel the system heating up just yet. So just give it a couple of minutes. So let's just stay with it until it activates. Okay, here we go. We can hear it boiling and we can see the jet of steam shooting out. So the cooking time is 15 minutes. And right now it's very hot, so make sure you place the whole system on a suitable worktop before doing this.